Remove the contents of the kit. You will have access to written instructions and videos on how to complete your order. Scan the QR code on the welcome card. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Your kit is now activated. You can now begin the collection process. Make sure to drink a full glass of water 30 minutes before collecting your sample. Wash your hands in warm water for 1 minute. Swing your arms for 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure to be standing with your arms straight during the collection process. Choose your ring or pinky finger on your non-dominant hand. Clean the side of your finger with an alcohol pad. Remove the lid from the lancet. Puncture the side of your chosen finger. Wipe the first droplet of blood with the gauze. Stimulate blood flow by milking your finger. Make sure all circles are filled during the collection process. Do not touch, smear, or rub your finger on the card during collection. If blood is not flowing, please repeat the process with another finger. Fill out all the cards that are in the kit. Let cards sit out for 30 minutes or until completely dry. Write the date and time of collection on the card. Place card or cards inside the biohazard bag. Place the biohazard bag inside the FedEx return envelope. Find a FedEx drop-off location or schedule a FedEx pickup within 12 hours of your last collection. Thank you for letting Vibrant Labs be part of your wellness journey.